Hello! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgia, if you're new here.
I don't want to be
All right. Everybody, this is my grandma. So as you know, I made a video about cleaning out my car. My mom had the brilliant idea of showing my grandma the video, and then she saw it and started making comments. And so my sister was like, you have to videotape this. So here we are.
What? Why do you have that on there?
Well, if you wait for me to explain it.
Oh,
That's the pain of Christmas. Everything needs to be vacuumed as well.
Oh.
First things first, we're gonna clean the brush.
Now she's hurrying to clean it up. Oh my gosh.
It's fast forwarded, Grandma.
I
That's
know.
not as fast as I move. I don't really move that fast. That would be really cool though.
All of it in small space. Oh my god. And you're getting out some more.
You saw how much stuff I had in there.
What's you have a cat in your truck? You've been carrying a cat in there. Georgia.
No, that was the cat that you saw earlier. It wasn't just in my car.
In the back too. Why so much water?
Because my dad had to cool the engine down with the water.
Oh,
when I
my
had a
God.
leak.
He needs to buy you a new car is what needs to be.
With one of these things attached to it.
Are you in slow motion or you? I mean, fast forward?
Yes, I'm fast forwarded right now.
So,
Mommy,
how long had that stuff been in there and you just cleaned it?
I don't think I'm comfortable with that question. Debit card I lost. October.
She found the
October, she said.
Yeah.
Georgia.
Isn't it satisfying, Grandma?
I'm impressed that you decided to clean your water and your oil and your...
You're impressed that I decided to clean it?
Yeah, because you won't even... Is that about it? You enjoy it? What is that?
It's
Oh my
for
God.
removing my makeup.
And you're finding more stuff under the seat.
Yeah, that
You
was
didn't
actually a
have room-
surprise to me.
Everything was already full, so you stuck it under the seat.
No. It was more like there was trash everywhere, including under my seat.
The upholstery's not stained or anything though, right?
Yes, it is, because
Oh,
I dropped a paint.
Paint?
I had a paint thing, look right there. I had a paint thing. What is it called? A tube of paint. And I guess it got squished. And yeah, it stained my car.
Does that like that?
No.
Oh. A Cheeto.
That was a Funyun.
You still have to go around out there. You clean it right here. Okay. You might need water for
Why are
that.
you criticizing how I'm cleaning? At least I'm cleaning it.
Oh, yeah. How long did it take you to clean your car? Without fast
Like
forwarding.
an hour and a half, probably.
Good job, Georgia.
Probably gonna give that to the person that has the birthday this weekend. Yeah, I forgot to give it to her. And it's still in my car if you want it. It's a heated blanket.
Oh, really?
Would you like a heated blanket? Also, one of the jugs fell over and all of the water spilled out on that box. So it's a little messed up on the outside. The box is a little soft. The blanket, I don't know. I haven't opened it. All right. Grandma, what are your final thoughts about the video? About my car?
I like what you did. You cleaned it really good and looks nice.
Okay, thank you. All right, this was my grandma right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this with my grandma. I plan on having her in more videos probably. If she'll let me videotape her again. Who knows? Guess you'll have to subscribe and find out. Say bye, Grandma.
Bye.
Say bye, Mom. Bye. Say bye, Maggie.
No.
I will see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye.